today we're going to continue working with angles. Okay, so what are types of angles that we have?
Right, obtuse, acute,
Acute,
reflex,
reflex,
straight, and full.
Full.
Straight and full. Okay, so show me a straight angle. Okay, show me a reflex angle. Okay, show me a right angle. What's a right angle? What's so special about it?
It's
Because
90
it's exactly
degrees.
90 degrees. And
90
it's one,
degrees.
It's 1/4 of the full circle.
Okay, 1/4 of the full circle. Excellent. Show me an acute angle. How much does an acute angle measure?
Less than 90. Less than 90.
Less than 90.
And more than
Okay.
0.
So if I have my 90-degree angle and I don't have a protractor to measure, I'm going to use what?
The corner of your paper.
Yeah.
Corner of my paper. Show me what to do. Okay. Okay. So I have my corner of my paper on the ray. And the corner is on what?
The vertex.
On the vertex.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's one of vertex, and that's going to tell me that's my right angle there, right? Okay. So today, what we're going to be doing is measuring angles and labeling them. Okay. So we're measuring angles, okay, with our protractor. Okay.
Yeah.
So first thing we're going to do is find, based on what this angle looks like, is it going to be, we're working with two, so is it going to be an obtuse, a right, or a acute angle based on the look of it?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
Okay, why?
Because a right angle will look exactly like an L, basically, but it is more it's more spread out.
It's more spread out.
Like a
Okay.
V.
Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is label it as I think it is. I think it's an obtuse angle. Okay. Next, I need to measure the actual angle. We're using my protractor. So talk to me about what you remember how to do this.
Put
Okay.
your
So,
protractor in the axis or the vertex.
okay. So I'm putting my protractor there. I did it.
Line
Now,
up the
what?
line with the line of the angle.
okay. So first you told me I gotta find my vertex,
Yeah.
and I'm placing it on the axis. Okay.
Or vertex.
Okay. So that's what I did there, and now I can start measuring, right?
Now you have to put the line mentioned in this straight with the angle line.
Okay. So this side, this edge is my zero edge. I'm gonna line it up to that ray. Okay. So it's lined up to the ray itself. And once it's lined up, then what do I do next?
Now you take the line that's up here and see what number it's on.
Degrees.
Yeah, the degrees. No. See where the line faces at, and then that's how you count it.
Okay. So I'm looking for the ray, which way it's pointing,
And then
and it's pointing to this zero, so I'm going to start counting from this side.
yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 80, 100, 110.
102.
112, yeah.
112. So I started counting over here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and two more, 112. Okay?
Degrees.
112 degrees. Okay. What if I have done this? What if I set it up this way?
You would get the same thing, but just in form differently.
Okay, so where do I start counting now?
From here, where it's facing.
Okay, so it's the same thing, just you're still following where the arrow's pointing. Okay, so where you're at, where you have that ray pointing to, that's where you're going. So we have 90, 100, 110, 112.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Last thing is I need the name of an angle. Okay, so this angle is going to be called
DEF.
DEF. DEF
Or FED.
or
FED.
FED. tell me why I couldn't call this angle EDF.
Because
Because I wanna-
is a vertex and the E is supposed to go in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Basically, they're
So
supposed
go
to
ahead and
in order.
go ahead and label that as your vertex.
What this?
Yeah.
And when I'm naming my angles, my vertex is always going to be in the
the
center.
middle.
So the first letter is where my angle starts, where it turns, where it ends. Okay? So I need the degrees of my angle is 112. Okay?
Degrees.
The type of angle is,
Obtuse.
and I know it's an obtuse angle because
It's
Because
more
I know-
than 90 degrees.
Because a right angle is 90 degrees, and if it were to be 112, that's way more. So therefore, it's obtuse.
okay, so it's more than 112,
and less
it's more-
than, it's less than 180.
less than 180. Okay, so grab your pencils. We're gonna work on number 3. I want to see you guys working. So, who's gonna start?
I'll go since I'm A, or since I'm supposed to be A. Then